I know you're not supposed to get hyped over how your hair looks while it's still wet, but it's giving me possible favorite product vibe. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I am Cint. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I am bringing you guys videos just following my natural hair journey after combing out locks. So I am getting to know my hair all over again and just testing out different methods to see if the same products, techniques, and routines still work well for my hair, or if I am going to need to try new products and new routines and techniques. So in this video, I am using a gel for the very first time on my wash and go since attempting it way back when I first transitioned to natural from relaxed hair. I have always been a cream wash and go girl. Gels were just not it for me. The crunch, the gel cast, whatever y'all want to call it, it won't for me, sis. Like, my wash and goes used to be super quick, just wash, condition, leave-in conditioner, oil, air dry. That was it. Like, all the shingling, sectioning, all of that, no. 4 sections, apply the leave-in to the full section with my fingers, seal it with the oil, and go. Like, I was not for the long wash and goes. However, now that my locks are out and I've tried my old routine with the wash and go, it looked okay, kind of cute for the first day, and then after that I just was not feeling it. So I wanted to try some different techniques. While I was combing out my locks, I was watching natural hair videos just to see how things have changed over the years, you know, new products that have come out, trying to get a feel for different people's techniques and routines, just in case my old tried and true methods from before going to locks didn't work for me anymore. I wanted to have some backup plans in place so I wasn't completely frantic and just panicking if those old methods didn't work for me anymore. And one of the products that I came across, I'm pretty sure all of y'all know about this now, is the Wetline Extreme Gel. I believe this is the new formulation from the videos that I watched, because this has the little blue top. So far, my hair is not dry right now, by the way. So I just finished doing putting in my products, but so far this has treated me really good. I made sure to test it out with the products that I'm going to be showing you in the video, just to make sure I wouldn't end up with a flaky, sticky mess in my hair. But yeah, I wanted to try that product. The person that really made me want to just take the plunge is, I believe her real name is Raina. Please correct me if that's wrong, but her channel is Happycurl. Pretty sure y'all have seen her if you're in the natural hair video thing. If you like to watch those type of videos, I'm pretty sure you know who she is already. If not, I'm still gonna link her channel in the description box and in the cards at the top of the video. But yeah, I think I've talked enough, so I'm just going to get into the video and show you the clips of me applying the product, and then I'm going to come back at the end with the final products with my hair fully dry to see if we fill in the wet line or if I'm going to need to go back to the drawing board. So let's go. So if you guys have been watching my previous videos, you know the drill. This is my hair freshly washed. I wrap it up in some sort of t-shirt once I finish rinsing my hair out, and I'm just breaking this down into 4 sections. I went ahead and already parted my hair how I want it to be and just putting that extra hair away. I am
going to start on my first section applying the products in just a moment. The products I'm going to be using are from the African Pride Moisture Miracle line. And the first product I'm going to start with is their leave-in conditioner. I then follow that up with their curling cream, and I seal both of those in with an oil. Once I do that, I go in with smaller sections, applying the Wetline Extreme Gel, applying that from the roots all the way down to the ends with my fingers. I'll put all links for the products down below, just in case you want to check those out and see the products for yourselves.
Okay, y'all, so the verdict is in. I'm pretty sure you could tell by the look on my face that this was a success. I think I just found my new wash and go combo. My hair is a little bit stretched now. I use the blow dryer and the tension method on the warm setting on the blow dryer that I have. I didn't dry it 100% just because I'm a little afraid of heat damage. I've always been that way, and because I never used the blow dryer before when I was a loose natural the first time, I'm trying to sort of get acclimated to how much heat I need to be applying to my hair. For whatever reason, this particular blow dryer that I have does not have a cool setting. So I'm looking into getting a new one so that I can at least attempt to stretch it on the cool setting. Not 100% sure if that actually would work. But I dried it to about 80 to 90% dry, but so far so good. My hair feels so soft. Like, it literally feels the same as if I did not use a gel. I don't have any crunchiness, any gel cast, or none of that. Like, I didn't scrunch it or anything. I literally just did the tension method where I hold the section and just run the blow dryer over it and let it be. I might go and fluff it up a little bit and zhuzh it up. Maybe separate some of these little clumps just to get some volume. When I wear my side part, obviously this side always has more volume than this one. Next time I may try a middle part, but yeah, I think I got a winning combo here, and these are all brand new products to me. I have never used any of these products before. This is closer to how my curls used to look pre-lock journey. And I'm not sure if my hair just needs to get back used to being loose and not, you know, palm rolled and stuff like that. Today was the first time that I've deep conditioned my hair since combing out my locks, because for whatever reason I cannot find the products that I used to use in my local stores, and I just refuse to pay the marked up prices that are on Amazon. Products that I could find locally for $5, I'm not paying $10 plus for those products, whether I have the money or not. I just, no, I'm not gonna pay 2 times more for products that I can get for $5 locally. So, but yeah, these are my results. I'm freaking loving it. I'm gonna keep using this combo. I'm probably gonna do either a braid out or a flat twist out next, and I think I'm going to try to incorporate the wet line into those styles as well, because my last twist out, it lasted for a few days, but I want to see if I can get it to last longer than about 3 days before it starts looking a little frizzy and old. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. If y'all have any special techniques that work for you, or any products that you just absolutely swear by, go ahead and drop them in the comments below. I'm always interested to see what works for different people. And again, like I said, I am in the experiment phase right now. My hair is fresh out of the locks, so I'm just trying a bunch of different stuff to really find my holy grail. If you've been on a natural hair journey for any length of time, you know that a lot of trial and error goes into this process. So once I find my tried and true methods and products for this go around, I probably won't experiment and try different things back and forth. I'm really over the whole product junkie phase. So I plan to use these products to at least halfway or 3/4 before I try, you know, dibbling and dabbling in other stuff. But until then, I will keep trying out this combination of products and see what techniques work for me. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Cint Life. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.